So hey, so in this video will be a simple clone of maybe Chakra UI button as such. So basically, if you have used any UI library before, then you must have seen something like if you for example click like SM or something. Let me pull out the Chakra documentation. Then you'll get some idea, better idea. If I, for example, click on button, so you'd see that the button actually takes the props, right? There is a props option, and you'd see that the props actually takes maybe color scheme. The color scheme actually has maybe yellow, green, teal, and all. Then is active, is disabled, is loading, and all. Right icon, size actually takes like type. By default, it will be MD. I mean the medium size. But then LG, MD, SM, XS, right? So we'll be looking into how to actually create these things. It is really interesting thing. So let me let me go and pull out the VS. So, okay. So for this, we'll be using TypeScript as such. So we'll define a type. So for example, type maybe button type, right? So button type, I want, first of all, I want children, right? So if you know the concept of children, it actually tells you that, okay, so whatever there is inside the button. So for example, inside the div, this is my child thing, right? So whatever comes between this component, I mean everything inside that component, it actually behaves like a children, right? So children in this case, so I will be returning a button because I will be returning a button. I will write a button itself. So yeah, so this actually acts as my children, right? See the button. It can be like maybe submit, isn't it? So in this case, I will be having submit as my children. So whatever inside the button, and that will act like as children, right? So I will be defining my children as maybe string because I want it to be string. So yeah, so string, and then I want maybe what can I do? Yeah, color scheme. I can actually define color scheme as well. So let's just, yeah, color scheme can be anything. So just copy this and I'll just paste this. Yeah. So color scheme can be what are the color scheme it has? Let me check. Okay, I will take orange, yellow, and maybe, yeah, I will take orange, yellow, and maybe, yeah, Facebook and LinkedIn. Okay. Well, yeah, orange. I need orange, yellow, and then maybe I want LinkedIn. LinkedIn. If you, I mean, LinkedIn is just a color scheme. So if you click on UI documentation, so this is the LinkedIn button. Okay, so it actually color is just like the LinkedIn itself, and then Facebook is something different. Messenger is something different, right? So I will take LinkedIn as well as WhatsApp as such. Yeah, LinkedIn, and I will take WhatsApp. So yeah, so my props will be inside. I mean, it either it will be orange, it will be yellow, or it will be LinkedIn, or it will be WhatsApp. So I will also define size because I want size. So size can be like SM, can be MD, MD can be maybe what can we do like MD, yeah, LG. So these are the size variants you get with the Chakra documentation. So if you click on the props, so if you go to size, yeah, size as LG, MD, and SM, right? So I'll be writing SMLG. Yeah. So yeah, my type is ready. I have to pass this type. So I will pass first of all. In the button component should accept a children, and then it should be equal to, it should be button type. Button type. So it should accept children, and then it should accept like color scheme. Search. Yeah, color scheme. I will what I will do is I will give it a default value for now, because I will give it yellow as a different default value. So whatever I pause, I mean, to give the default value here, what I want to do is whenever I use this switch case, I don't have to give the default value as such in that component. I mean, in the switch case. So now if I write size, I want size to be maybe, yeah, MDS better. So yeah, so my button component is ready. Now I have to write the individual methods, right? So const maybe size function for size. I will first define the size. So yeah, so size will take size as a prop. This size and this size are not the thing. I mean, not the same thing. So I will write style. I will define style, and then what? Okay, let me write the switch case as such. So I will write switch case here. So it will take size. So first of all, the value will be, I will define as MD. Let's define the SM. Okay, it should give me, okay, SM. Yeah, SM. And what it will do is it will return me an object. So for SM, I will give height as maybe, yeah, height will be maybe 20 pixels. Oh, yeah, 30 pixels. Yeah, 30 pixels, and then width as width as maybe 60 pixels. 60 pixels is better. Yeah. And for case, okay, so it's primarily implicit maybe. Switch, yeah, okay. Okay, I haven't passed this. Let me pass this. Mm, function for size. I'll pass size into it so that it actually catches my size from here. So white, yeah, size is empty. Okay, remove the break, remove the default as well. White is given me. So I have to give the default value as well, because I have to give the SM. It can be SM. It can be like can be maybe yellow. Size can be ND. Okay, ND, and then it will give me LG. Yeah. So here, because it was getting out of scope. Yeah. So for LG, I want, yeah, so first of all, I have to write the ND. Let me write, okay, no, that's not this one. Yeah, what it will return is an object. Let me, yeah, from then height will be not in a height. Height will be like maybe 60 pixels. I'm just doubling these things. Width might be maybe 60 double, 120 pixels. 120 pixels, and yeah. So, and then case for maybe LG search return maybe height as maybe 100 pixels, 100 pixels, and then width as the width the width as maybe 200 pixels. Yeah, so I don't have to write the default case because I have already defined it in here. So by default it will take the MD size, so I don't have to write again and again. So for function for, okay, const function for color, it will take color as my argument, and it will take, okay, let me complete this function. So color, it will take color, and it will take yeah, so it will take what, so these are the colors it will take. So let me just copy this to take these things. Yeah. So for switch case, color, I will define the color here, and then I will take orange. It will return me an object. I want it to return an object. And then orange, I want maybe color as, okay, I want background color. Background color as, let me check the orange. Yeah, orange is better. I think. Orange. Let me pull out the color yes, because I don't, what is the button? Yeah. There's an extension as well. So you can see from there. Okay, yeah. Let me check with an extension. So this, I want this one orange. So let me just copy down it. Control C, and then I don't want orange. I want the particular value. So return, yeah. So for case, orange, what I have LinkedIn. Okay. No, not this. I want it to return background. Okay. Background color as maybe. So let me check what is the LinkedIn color here. This is my LinkedIn color. So Control C. Hope it got copied. Yeah. So for that, uh, for WhatsApp, I will take return and color as, okay, not web, background color as maybe, okay, for WhatsApp, what is the color? Yeah, color, let's see. Yeah, for color WhatsApp, I got the color for WhatsApp. Case for what is remaining? Okay, yellow. Return, maybe background. Color as maybe, let me check what is the yellow color. Okay, Control C. Yeah, okay. I don't need the break, I don't need default, but it is better to write default as well. But because I have already I mean gave the default value as yellow, so it will actually take the yellow from there. Okay, size. I want to take, okay, function for, because it will return me an object. So function for color, and I will pass the color inside it. Okay, color scheme. Yeah. So color scheme. So this will be the submit, and here I just want my children to be there. Yeah, because whatever the I pass as a children, I want it to be here. So my button component is ready. Let us test if it works or not. Yeah, button, yeah, button, and then button, yeah. So now you can see the mistake as well. So it is actually uh, it actually accepts the children. It wants it to be children because, okay. So there's one thing, because the children, it should be mandatory, but color scheme is not mandatory, right? Color scheme, the user can give the color scheme or not. I mean, depends on the user, isn't it? So by default, it will take yellow, but it is optional. I mean, if you want to pass, then you can pass the color scheme, but if you don't, you can just go with that. Right? But children is mandatory because you have to put something inside it, isn't it? So for now, I will just pass submit. So there's my normal button. What I will do is I will just paste something. Yeah. In the button, in the second button, I want size as to be maybe LG, and color scheme as to be maybe WhatsApp as such. and we size as empty, and then color scheme as maybe LinkedIn. Then, for example, size to be maybe SMS such, and color scheme as to be color scheme to be maybe WhatsApp, LinkedIn. Okay, orange is there. It actually gives you a recommendation, isn't it? Just like you, if you have used the chakra, then it actually gives you like recommendations for that. So orange, okay. So for the MD, I want one more to be access. Okay, I have not tried the access. So let me try the access as well. Yeah. Okay, I have LG. Okay, fine. Maybe color scheme to be what I have used. Okay, orange is not used till now. Okay, orange. Yeah. So let us see how the UI actually looks like. Okay, okay, I have to cancel this extension. Yeah. So you can see the orange. Okay, fine. So what is this color taking? The last one. Okay, fine. The orange is not the orange that I want. I think. Yeah. This is not the orange it got. So let me, yeah, this is not the orange I want. Let me pull out the documentation again. What is the orange actually? This is the orange. Yeah, it actually behaves like an. Let me just give the default itself because I don't think it is better. Yeah, let me give it like an orange itself. Let me check if this works or not. Mm, yeah, it is much more better. So you can see like you can actually customize these things obviously. So for example, maybe for all these background colors, what I want to do, maybe I want color to be okay. So for example, let me enter this. Yeah. So for example, color as maybe, yeah. So color as maybe white as such. I think there is something wrong I'm doing, I guess. Yeah, no, 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 that's fine. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So for example, I want white. So you can see the all the things got white, right? So you can also apply some maybe border radius as such because I think it will be better. Let me height control D. So let me click here. Height, maybe background border radius or the radius as no, no, border radius as maybe 20 pixels. 20 pixels will be okay. Yeah, 20 pixels. So let me see. Okay, yeah. So you can see like we can actually customize everything. Like just like the button, you can also make input boxes, and you can customize everything for yourself. You can actually build an entire UI library on your own, isn't it? So yeah, this was a simple, I mean, the simple concept of like how is the UI library. See, it's the actually the magic is all about the TypeScript. So I will most probably I will make a separate video about TypeScript, but these all are everything is actually I mean possible with the TypeScript. So you are getting the recommendations and all from the below. It is all the magic of that TypeScript is doing for you. So yeah, that's it, I guess. So yeah, thanks a lot.